Hello viewers, I will teach you how to make this beautiful fascinator used by bridal train, and you can actually use it for any occasion of your choice. Fascinator, bridal fascinator. Okay, so this is what we'll be learning how to make. Alright, so the materials needed: you need your fascinator material, you need your fascinator. This is a 28 inches this is the length is 28 inches. Okay, so you need, okay, this one is also a fascinator for decorating the main fascinator. And then you need your thread, you need your scissors, you need your candle wax, you also need this, it's called a glue gun. You need your comb. This is of two colors. You can decide the color you like, black, and I have white. And then you need your needle, of course, needle, and then your measuring tape. You need your measuring tape. So let's get going. So the first thing I'm going to do is cutting my 28 inches fascinator. Okay, so I'm going to make it into what I actually need or want. Now what I'll do is I'm going to fold this edge, the tip. This is what I've done. Are you seeing what I'm doing?